Good afternoon to all. Today is Sunday. On account of Sunday, I want to discuss the topic which is very important in English, that is direct and indirect speech. Let you know the meaning of direct and indirect speech first. Direct speech. What is meant by direct? Direct means direct. That is not the direct means direct. Direct means actual word of a speaker is called as direct speech. What it may point? See that example. I said tomorrow is holiday. This is a direct speech. Now indirect speech. Indirect speech means by adding something extra will be spoken, is called as indirect speech. Sir said that tomorrow is holiday. Said that ಏನಂದರು ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ನಾಳೆ ಹಾಲಿಡೇ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ. ಟುಮಾರೋ ಈಸ್ ಹಾಲಿಡೇ. ದಟ್ tomorrow is holiday, that is called as indirect speech. By adding something extra will be spoken is called as indirect. Then let you know the rules for sake of direct and indirect speech. How to convert direct from direct to the indirect speech. Let you know that rules over there. First point, inside the inverted comma is called main verb. Inside the inverted comma is called main verb. Outside the inverted comma is called reporting verb. Then third point, that conjunction is used after reporting verb in indirect speech. Fourth, comma, commas, inverted comma, question mark will be removed in indirect speech. Then fifth point, words are there in a direct speech. How to be convert? While converting, what it becomes, that you know. Now becomes then in indirect speech. Today, that day. Yesterday, the previous day. Tomorrow, the next day. Ago means before. Now the examples are going to be solving with you. First example is that I got the stumble in a office. I want to take a leave. Direct speech. Indirect speech. Javed sir is having a pain of something, so sir has taken the leave. So that the sir has taken the leave is called as indirect speech. Then second example, tomorrow is a function. My father said. Indirect speech, my father said that tomorrow is a function. Two examples. Then another two examples. Shall I take the admission in a computer? This is a sentence in a direct speech to the father. Then indirect speech. Yes, my son, that you may take the admission in a computer. Means what? I asked the permission, then he gave the answer over there, so that I can take the admission, is called as indirect speech. Then fourth example, neighbors asked, is there anything special today? Indirect speech. neighbor asked that, is there anything special today? Got it? That is called as indirect speech. Don't worry about direct and indirect speech. Direct means direct, indirect means by adding something extra is called as indirect. Example, best example for that, we are going to be visiting the hotel for sake of tea party and lunch over there. 4-5 members we are going to be visiting the hotel. We are going to be taking lunch as per our accordingly towards the dishes. But after completion of the dish, order completion is there, then the bill is going to be paying from one person. That is called as indirect. Why? Because we have eaten, but he is going to be paying the bill. That is called as indirect. Yeah, early, ನಾನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, that is called as indirect speech. I think you might have understood regarding the direct and indirect speech today. If you have any kind of doubt, so please watch this video, then let you come to know that regarding the direct and indirect speech. Okay, thank you one and all.